Hey there YouTubers, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on because we have tons more Apex Legends clips for you. We are also currently running a giveaway on our Twitter, check it out. May the All-Father be with you.
I mean, do we treat you differently because you're like a decent looking Twitch streamer, or do we just treat you like a gamer?
Like, are you asking me what I want you to do?
Yeah, it's not like I'm gonna do what you want anyways, but I'm just wondering, I'm just curious.
I mean, if special privileges include, you know, first dibs on Spitfires, then like, I'm okay with that.
PayPaling at this moment, AFK.
Yeah, there's a gold havoc.
What? It's not a team here.
Come on, come on. It's go time. Healing. Ah, this is taking too long. Look out! Grenade! Frag out! Frag out! Taking fire, friends. Giving my shields a recharge. Frag out. Fire, friends. Here I go. Recharging shields.
Bro, let's go! Oh my god, dude.
That dude's so low, like 10 HP.
Oh, there's another squad in here.
That only did 10! Sorry, that was kind of loud. 10?
Other people.
On top. Wraith low. Oh my god. Oh, lit. Let me just yoink these. Wait, where's her thing? Oh, never mind. Stop it!
Sometimes in the silo with you, what's that? Holy shit.
So far.
Hit the ejector seat. Ready, set, go.
Close left.
Target. A champion just fell.
Nice.
Very good. Say adios to
The hell is this?
Please! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Attention, first blood.
reloading. Reloading. Down a hostile on Scotty. Reloading.
Here we go. Oh, I'm on HP, I'm through the... Here we go. There he is!
They're coming!
There's one!
Nice.
There's one! Where's the other one? There it is! There it is!
He's down, he's down.
One more! Yes! Yes! It happened, bro! Let's go!
We did it.
It's just probably because a lot of people are playing. I can't rescue my dude.
Res me right now. It's bugged. They can't move.
I got you. Ooh! See that, dude? That timing. That timing, dude.
Oh, fuck is this shit?
He hardly hit you, bro.
You're in third?
You safe right there?
You're safe right there. Don't do anything. Just get a second.
Let's go, baby!
Holy shit!
First blood, and it's not us. Wonderful.
That's what you're saying.
Reloading.
I can't with this guy right now. What the fuck was that, chat? I gotta shoot this dude. He's like fucking spinning around on a goddamn thing. What was that?
So they removed the mechanic called like hot swapping, which is when you crouch and swap weapons, and it would do it without an animation. And someone said, you know, oh, it's sad they removed this in a Reddit thread. And the developer said, I agree that the game is fun to master because skill gaps exist, but this one is not intended. And someone asked, do you feel the same way about heal B hopping? And they said, definitely, but no fix on the ETA yet. Like, no fix ETA yet. So they want to remove B hop healing, which I don't see. I haven't seen anyone complain about B hop healing. And honestly, I've seen a lot more people interested in learning how to do it, a lot more people interested in knowing how to perfect it and using like different methods to just get better and improve. But they state that they're going to remove it, they just don't know when.
Hey, that's my name, Jimmy, and I'm a Kazuzik main. Please, can you
I
remove
think like
hopping
something
and
like that is completely.
Part of the reason why this game is feeling so like boring recently is because everyone fucking dies at the beginning of the game. And then the hot drops are stupid as hell. Like, people don't realize, like, everyone's hot dropping, but they don't realize how dumb it is to hot drop.
With the right moves.
What do you think of Respawn removing B-hop healing? I think that's a mistake and could potentially hurt their game a lot.
Let's pick the right way and go.
Make sure I have it. Let's see if it's a good range though. This is an older wireless mouse, so it might not have the range that the new mice have these days, but let's see. Which hand? I could hold a mug in this hand, right?
Where the fuck
It's our team here.
Sorry, your shields. Come on, come on. It's go time.
It's our team here.